Bacon, the nation's favorite breakfast food with its signature aroma. Crispy fat and irresistible smoky flavor. But behind each slice lies a complex, high-tech journey that few people ever think about. While millions of Americans start their day with a few strips of bacon, a massive industrial system is operating around the clock to meet a staggering annual demand of over 1.5 billion pounds. Enough to cover thousands of football fields. Globally, more than 4 million metric tons of bacon are consumed each year. Though it feels like a modern staple, bacon's roots go back thousands of years. The Chinese were curing pork belly as far back as 1500 BCE. And ancient Romans had a similar dish, often served with fruit and wine. It all starts on large-scale pig farms, where climate-controlled barns, nutritionally balanced diets, and automated health systems provide ideal living conditions for pigs. A single farm with 10,000 sows can produce over 250,000 piglets annually. In the US, over 125 million pigs are processed every year, and a significant portion of them become bacon. Once pigs reach their optimal weight, between 100 and 130 kilograms, they're humanely transported to processing plants. There, the process is optimized down to the smallest detail. The carcass is split lengthwise along the spine to prepare for the next highly precise steps. Parts like the legs and shoulders are separated to be used for hams, sausages, or roasts. But the real highlight, and the fattiest, most flavorful part, is the pork belly. This is the raw material for bacon. With just the right fat-to-meat ratio and ideal texture, the belly is handled with near-perfect precision. Next comes the rib removal stage. Some plants use high-pressure machines, while others rely on skilled workers who remove the bones by hand, carefully preserving the meat structure. Then the bellies are trimmed using automated cutters that remove the skin, excess fat, and shape the slabs into uniform rectangles. Why is this important? Because evenly shaped slabs cure more effectively, slice more cleanly, and present better in packaging. Each piece is then seasoned with a unique mix of salt, sugar, and spices. Each brand has its own special recipe, creating a distinct, recognizable flavor. Some modern factories use ultrafine needles to inject the curing solution deep into the meat, ensuring that every bite is flavorful from the inside out. Then comes the smokehouse, where bacon's signature taste is truly born. Here, the bellies are slowly smoked over real wood chips like applewood, hickory, or maple, infusing the meat with its iconic aroma and deep flavor. After smoking, the slabs are pressed into uniform blocks. Industrial scanners inspect each one for imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality bacon proceeds to slicing. Slicing is one of the most exciting stages. Razor-sharp blades cut the meat into thin or thick strips, depending on market demand. Each slice is laid out neatly like edible dominoes, aesthetically pleasing and precisely measured to the millimeter. Before packaging, every slab is weighed carefully to meet exact specifications, ensuring consistent weight and quality in every pack. The bacon is then vacuum sealed, labeled, chilled, and sent off to supermarkets. Many packages today feature clear windows, allowing shoppers to inspect the marbling and texture before purchasing. In the US alone, enough bacon is consumed each year to cover more than 10,000 football fields if the slices were laid out side by side. And behind every slice lies an intricate, tightly controlled, and technology-driven process from farm to plate. So the next time you hear that signature sizzle in the pan or smell that savory scent in the morning air, remember, behind it all is a modern, meticulous journey, where each slice of bacon is the result of precision, science, and a deep passion for food. Bacon, not just breakfast. It's a masterpiece crafted by an entire industry. And honestly, it's bacon. What more could you ask for? Welcome back to Farm to Factory. Deep in the southern United States, a booming industry is quietly thriving. Alligator farming, generating nearly $100 million every year. Leading this charge are Florida, Louisiana, and Texas, where these ancient reptiles are transformed into luxury leather and gourmet delicacies. Ever wondered how it all happens? Today, we'll take you behind the scenes to uncover the fascinating journey of raising and processing alligators, and reveal the secrets driving the unstoppable rise of this unique industry. In the United States, alligator farming is mainly concentrated in the southern states, with Florida standing out by producing nearly 70% of the nation's supply. Blessed with warm climates, rich natural habitats, and decades of expertise, these states have become the heart of the alligator leather and meat industry. This documentary captures how farms skillfully harness the natural environment to raise alligators, while continuously improving product quality to meet the demands of both domestic and international markets. In particular, Florida, with its rich and diverse swamp ecosystem, has played a key role in the growth of the industry. Every breeding season, harvesters carefully collect eggs from the wild nests, ensuring minimal disturbance to the delicate ecosystem surrounding them. The eggs are then incubated in sand, a material that perfectly mimics the natural environment, helping to maintain the ideal moisture and temperature levels. Once they hatch, the baby alligators are transferred to a controlled environment where the temperature is kept between 82 degrees Fahrenheit and 88 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity ranges from 70% to 90%. Ensuring their optimal growth and development. A veterinarian featured in the documentary emphasizes that the early stages of an alligator's life are crucial. Balanced nutrition, careful care, and the right living conditions are key factors that determine the high-quality meat and hides produced later on. These early months are the foundation for the premium products that the industry is known for. The alligator's diet is also given special attention. At first, the young alligators are fed daily with a mixture of ground meats like chicken, beef, or fish, combined with essential vitamins and minerals to support their growth. As they grow, their feeding schedule is reduced to 3 to 4 times a week, mimicking their natural eating patterns. This adjustment not only helps their skins to remain flawless, but also ensures their meat becomes firm and tender, meeting the high standards of the luxury market. Through the insights shared by veterinarians and farm workers, the documentary reveals how meticulous care at every stage of the alligator's life has contributed to building a multi-million-dollar industry. The combination of traditional methods and modern techniques has allowed the alligator farming industry in the southern United States to thrive and continuously evolve. It's a delicate balance that has turned alligator farming into a booming and highly lucrative business. In addition, veterinary care plays a vital role throughout the entire process. Veterinarians regularly monitor the health of the alligators, ensuring early detection and treatment of issues like parasites, skin diseases, or nutritional deficiencies. Their careful attention to these details is crucial to maintaining the health and quality of the animals, ultimately impacting the premium products produced. Regular vaccinations, maintaining farm hygiene, and adjusting feeding schedules have helped minimize the risk of disease, while ensuring healthy growth for the alligator population. This methodical investment in veterinary care has greatly enhanced the quality of the products, meeting the stringent demands of the global market. By prioritizing animal health, the industry has solidified its reputation for premium quality alligator leather and meat. By the age of 4 to 5 years, alligators reach a length of 8 to 10 feet and weigh between 300 to 400 pounds, 500 pounds ready for harvest. This process is carried out humanely, using specialized tools to ensure that the alligator's hide remains intact and undamaged. Every step is taken with precision to preserve the quality of both the leather and the meat, which are essential for the luxury market. Parts such as the tail, legs, and body are meticulously processed, packaged, and sometimes frozen to maintain freshness during transportation and distribution. Alligator meat is highly favored for its high protein content, low fat, and is often featured in grilled, fried, or sausage dishes in the southern United States. Its mild flavor and versatility have made it a beloved delicacy in regional cuisine. Cuts like the tail, legs, and body are carefully cleaned, packaged, and flash frozen if necessary, to preserve their freshness throughout transportation and distribution. Alligator meat, prized for its high protein and low-fat content, has become a favorite in the southern United States. Often featured in grilled dishes, fried specialties, and even sausages. A chef featured in the documentary explains that alligator meat has a mild flavor, reminiscent of a blend between chicken and fish, making it increasingly popular among diners for its novelty and nutritional value. Alligator specialties are particularly popular in states like Florida, Louisiana, and Texas, becoming an essential part of the local culinary culture. The alligator farming industry continues to grow sustainably, contributing around $100 million annually to the U.S. economy. As demand for alligator leather and meat increases, farms are also placing a greater emphasis on sustainability and animal welfare. A manager shares that by combining traditional farming techniques with modern technology, Zerenia, the American alligator industry, is growing stronger, dominating the global luxury goods and culinary markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next videos on the global food industry. Sure. Leave a comment below if you'd like me to create a video on the processing methods of another.